Hey, I just let the big bunch out in this walkway. I want to see what they're going to do. They'll put a lot of old hay in here. So we want to get it turned in to start making mulch. And I thought this big group would really turn it over. And we'll see what it looks like later. See what, they could knock it out, scatter it everywhere. Hey girls, get over here and work. Come on back out. They can't go out to the food forest, so they're gonna get bored and start working. Yeah. Here's Little Pepper, Jumping Jack. Here's Old Pepper. What's them boys doing? You gonna want to fight with them? Yeah. Anyway, they're gonna do that for a while. And here, are you gonna climb up the ladder? You change your mind? So they can play, have fun. Look, there's a rooster, black rooster. I was hoping to get 2 roosters, and I did. Barbara wants a rooster, and I want a rooster to raise these black chickens up. Australops, or something like that. They came from, their breed come from Australia. But we'll see. I got back, so they're coming back over here. But they'll have fun today working on that. I do like work my chickens. Yeah, get to work, girls. Hey, get off the porch and go to work. Yeah. So I'll see what it looks like later. This second load. Bill is going to shut the food forest gates so they don't go there. They're just working this tub. Oh, they're going to like that. It's full of stuff. Alright. Here comes the workers. Hey, girls. Yeah. They're just going to follow you. Oh, yeah. There they go. We leave here, though. A lot of them will probably hop up there. So they're working at it. Yeah, they do that in the mornings. Start fighting. Yeah, after we leave here, they'll probably more jump up there. Yeah, there was one yesterday going up the steps. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. See ya in the next video. Bye. Get to work, girls. Don't just stand there. Bill's cutting some wood for the little heater. Bill rekindled the fire. We'll all get warm. Boy, it feels good.